Hello students, here's a question from jeeadvance 2023 which says A1, A2, A3 up to A8 be the vertices of a regular octagon that lie on a circle of radius 2. If P is another point on the circle, then what is the maximum value of the product PA1 into PA2 into PA3 etc. up to PA8? So we first locate them on a plane like a circle having radius 2 and center at origin, and all these points are uniformly distributed on them. Now this situation is similar to the nth root of unity case, but here it's a circle of radius 2, so we can imagine them to be complex numbers having modulus 2, and then you can write them as zi equals to 2e to the power I 2 pi k by 8, and the value of I in the exponent goes from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7, so that you get all the eighth roots of 2 to the power 8. Why 2 to the power 8? Because you can see if you raise them both sides to the power of 8, you get z to the power 8 equals to 2 to the power 8 because the exponential parts leads to 1. So we can write z is equal to 2 into 1 power 1 by 8. Further, if you write it as an equation, this becomes z power 8 minus 2 to the power 8 equals to 0. Now this is a polynomial equation, so using the factor theorem, you can write this expression on the left hand side as product of factors, that is z to the power 8 minus 2 to the power 8 will be equal to z minus alpha 1 into z minus alpha 2 into z minus alpha 3 dot 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 up to z minus alpha n, that is factors containing all the roots. So now comes the final step in which we take modulus on both sides and we write mod of the left hand side is equal to modulus of the second side, and modulus of all these factors, product of modulus is same as modulus of the product, so you can take modulus separately also for each factor. Now look at each of these factors. Modulus of that means distance of z from alpha 1, distance of z from alpha 2, etc. As we know from the knowledge of complex numbers that modulus of z1 minus z2 means distance between the complex numbers z1 and z2 on the complex plane. So now z is the point P and alpha 1 is a1, alpha 2 is a2 and so on. So the product of modulus becomes PA1 into PA2 into PA3 up to PA8, which is equal to mod of z power 8 minus 2 power 8. Now using the triangle inequality as we studied in the complex numbers, mod of z1 plus z2 is less than equal to mod of z1 plus mod of z2. So we can split it as a sum of two complex numbers like this and their modulus will be greater. So this is the maximum possible value that is going to be arrived at. That is the maximum possible value will be, it is 2 into 2 power 8 which is 2 power 9, and that is going to be the answer for this question.